Presenting Acer Nitro 5 Gaming Laptop. It runs on Windows 10 Home operating system and weighs 2.4 kilograms. This laptop runs Intel Core i5-11400H processor. The laptop is available in two size variants of 8GB and 16GB RAM, and both are upgradable up to 32GB. With NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 with 4GB of dedicated GDDR6 VRAM, you can play all day without lagging. The 256GB PCIe Gen 3 NVMe SSD with 1TB 2.5-inch 7200 RPM HDD lets you store all your music, pictures and movies. The laptop has a battery life up to 8 hours. The 15.6-inch display with IPS technology, Full HD 1920 by 1080 pixels resolution, Acer Comfy View LED backlit TFT LCD, 16:9 aspect ratio, supporting 144Hz refresh rate gives you an immersive viewing experience. With DTS X Ultra audio, built-in 2 stereo speaker and Acer True Harmony gives you an enticing musical experience. The laptop has 2 USB 3.0 ports for connectivity.